Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to create a split color effect onto your text design. So the way to do that, you need to open your Canva. Absolutely, you need to Canva and then make a new project, and here on the blank page you can insert the text that you want to edit. For me, I'm going to add tongue tips like this, and now the next step, I will change the font from this text onto a bolder font. So I'm using this Futura display font, this one, and increase the size of it like this. Increase it. Okay, when it's done, now you can, if you want to, you can change the color from this font. For me, I will change it onto red color, this one. And then the next part, you need to duplicate this font and change the color from the second font. For me, I'm going to change it onto yellow color, this one. And when you're done, the next part, you need to open a new blank page again and move this yellow text onto the next, and move this yellow text onto the next page like this. After that, on the second page, this one, you need to download this text design. Downloading it, for me, I'm just going to use this design to image application, this one, and then convert to image. Increase the size of the pixel, and don't forget to choose the page that you want to download. This one, check the transparent background, and now export. Move to the previous page and drag the design onto this page, this one. Don't forget to positioning it on top of the first text design like that. Now decrease the size of the frame like this and like this, and increase the size of the design like this. Make sure it has a same design, it has a same size and same position of the first text, and just like that. Now the next part, to make it have a split effect, you just need to crop the top layers of the text design, just like this. Let's download this design from this page. Convert to image. Click export. You can delete this design from this page when the application has done converting it. Okay, now drag this design just like that. Let me undo it. Okay, just like that. You can delete all of this design. And now this is the result from the previous design that we doing before. Click the BG remover to remove the background like this, and increase the size of the frame. And now you just need to increase the size from the text design, just like this. The next step, I'm going to adding an outline onto this text. So click edit, go to effect bars, and use this outline shadow. And I'm going to create a thick outline, so I will increase it onto 70 and change the color of it onto a blue color, this one. I think it's too dark. Yep, this one. Okay, after finish, this is the result that you got. As you can see, now your text has this split color effect onto it, and it has an outline too, just like this. Okay, if you want to full preview of it, I will zoom the page like this, and there you go. That's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.